magtanong, bakit ginagawa niyo yung ganito?
Kasi yung research po na medical student tayo,
Kayong mga medical student.
student.
Okay, thank you then.
publish ng result sa PubMed, yung
Rizal Pub.
Opo.
Yung Antipolo.
Tsaka-
Rizal Province?
Hindi po, Makati.
Makati,
Sa
Rizal.
Makati.
Okay.
Yes po.
So, doon kayo sa
School of Medicine.
School of Medicine,
Opo.
Makati?
Yung necessary po na yung degree.
Opo. Need dong
Yes po, need po yung
mag-survey.
degree po. Yes po.
So, nakakarating kayo kahit saan lugar.
Yes po.
Dito lang sa Manila.
Sa Manila po.
Manila, yun. Maraming salamat. So, pwedeng mag-post sa Facebook?
Yes po.
Yes.
Pwede
Thank
na
you.
po, pwede na.
Thank you. I have a what to? Page.
Sige po,
TV.
follow kita.
Okay, salamat po.
Salamat.
Salamat. Makikita niyo po siya dito. Sa video natin. Regarding dun sa...
May YouTube channel ka?
Yes. It's
Ask all
Save
your-
Day Monte TV.
Oh, sige,
Ask
sige.
all your followers to answer.
Para ma-endorse ko sa iba.
Ask kita ng friends to scan and tsaka
Scan.
give us the response.
Okay. So, may page din kayo?
Page screen.
FB?
Anong MP?
Yeah, regarding this helmet hygiene study, we have a page.
Yung page, Facebook page.
Okay,
Hindi po.
Nothing.
Hamaरा ko'y page eh kya?
Wala.
Yun lang talaga.
Okay, personal lang.
Personal lang.
Okay.
It's only college.
For getting the degree. Yan lang.
Yan lang.
If you have your Facebook,
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Ayun, salamat.
We would seek your help on that. It will be really helpful for our research.
Okay.
If you guys can really help us.
Scan? Oo. Then, charity?
survey lang.
Survey.
Galing sila sa ama.
Scan para i-survey. What, sir?
Sir, we are doing a survey on helmet hygiene for motorcycle riders.
Yes.
Like we are from college student, Amazon. Like sir, if you can scan this, there are few questions in Tagalog.
Oh,
If you
okay,
can answer,
Tagalog.
It will help us a lot. Yes.
Yeah, I see.
Like you can just.
Scanner.
Google
QR
scan.
code? Google QR code. So, open. Yeah. Need sign in?
संदीप, नहीं है यार.
Sign in ka pa, Pres? Sign in ka pa? Paano skip mo na lang?
Hoy, step muna kayo para
Asli?
marami tayo.
Ito?
No. You have to sign in. Then you just.
Oo.
Sign in.
Without... Hindi, sir, hindi ka na nag-sign in, di ba?
Email, lagyan mo yung...
Email.
Dali mo na kayo para pagkat tayo. Survey lang naman ito, madali lang ito. Ito lang, i-use ka na.
Hindi pwede email ko rito.
If you can do other.
Other email. Maraming gamit yung email ko eh.
Yeah, without email. Like,
How to create account?
you already did.
Cellphone number, okay.
Yeah, I guess.
No, it's not very sensitive. Sensitibo.
साइनिंग कैसे करना है तो बता साइनिंग ही नहीं है have to create password.
Hindi pwede po eh. Dapat yung ibang email ko. Wait.
Tarin mo